Hello guys, today we will learn how you can search for good products in Amazon, which products are getting good orders, which product are ranking first on Amazon. So we don't need any application or anything. We can directly go to amazon.in and you can search for it. But there is a way how you search it. So today I will teach you in which category, subcategory, and below that you can find your niche product, niche category, and see in that subcategory which product is performing well and which product you can bring in Amazon to start selling. So let's dig into amazon.in. So for that, first you need to open amazon.in account. So it would be preferable you open this in your laptop or on your computer or on a tablet. It's also fine. Click on this three line all, and below trending click on best seller. So any department, as you can see, these are the main categories of which you can get the best seller product. For example, if I click on beauty, so best seller in beauty, you can see in the best seller in beauty which are the products getting first rank, second rank, and third rank. As you can see, it's Dettol, Himalayan, and Bombay Shaving Company. But this is the category. As you are new, we need to go a bit more niche. So we will select subcategories. So as you can see, in beauty there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 subcategories. So I will click skincare. So again, best seller in skincare, as you can see. In skincare, there are again more subcategories: body, eye, face, and lips. For example, if I click face, so you can see best category in face care. So we need to go as deep as possible to know in which subcategory which product is performing well. So in face also you can see there are multiple options now. For example, if I select facial tissues, so in facial tissues there are two options: box tissues and pocket tissues. So pocket tissues. So this is the way you get to know in which subcategory which product is performing the best. So while you are selecting any product, please go through this and check which product is performing well, which type of designs is performing well. For example, let's go in apparels. So again, all departments, clothing and accessories, men's. Let's check t-shirts and polos, t-shirts. So as you can see, in bestseller in men's t-shirt, which are the designs, which are the fabric, or what is the best selling price, you can see each and everything after you reach to your niche subcategory. So if you are planning to start a business in t-shirts, so now you know black color solid t-shirt is the most selling product in Amazon with the selling price of 189 rupees. The prints stay groovy. For example, this print and orange color, this is a oversized long line drop shoulder. So this is the design which is getting good sales. Third one is super combo cotton rich solid round neck half sleeves t-shirt, white color, full sleeves. So when you start your t-shirt business, for example, if you want to start a t-shirt business, you can directly straight away copy this print, copy their style and everything, and launch on Amazon. Yes, you can do that because no one has a copyright for that particular print of that particular product. So if you are new on Amazon, if you want to go in t-shirt line, you can straight away copy those products. But you need to do one thing: you need to give a price, competitive price over here. For example, if this t-shirt, if you are okay to start with this t-shirt, okay, cotton blend half sleeves printed oversized t-shirt for men. This t-shirt is selling for 294 rupees. So your selling price should be at least 290 rupees or lower than 290 rupees. That is the only way you can compete with this product. And secondly, we will use manual product targeting and we will target this product only. So automatically all the customers from this particular product will jump to your products. So this is the way you select your product. So make sure product selection plays its own important role. So it should not be that you like this product, that's the reason you have selected that product. No, always open on Amazon which subcategory you want to sell. So let's open one more subcategory. For example, home and kitchen. again one of the best selling category, kitchen and dining. And here we can see cookware, kitchen storage and containers. So again, kitchen storage and containers, where there are few big brands. So basically it's for the new upcoming brands. So you can start with this category also, storage and containers. So as you can see, this product is selling for 99 rupees. Milton is a big brand. Oliveware, Amazon itself is selling in this category. Shalimar, again, it's not a big brand, but it is in top 6 products. Okay, so if you want to start with home and kitchen, you can select, for example, if you are selecting this Shalimar zip and lock reusable slider bag. So what you can do is you can straight away copy the same design, same pattern and everything, but make sure your selling price should be lesser than 319 rupees. If you scroll down, if you like this bottle design, cello design, so what you can do, you can copy paste the same design, but you cannot copy the same name. As here it is written Sportigo. So Sportigo is not a brand, so you can copy Sportigo as well, but you cannot copy Cello because Cello is a registered brand. If you scroll down here, you cannot copy Cello, but you can copy Pure Steel, right? So it is important that you copy in your limits. It is nothing like you should not copy any brand's name or its slogan or its tag name, right? So this is the way you select the best product you want to sell on Amazon. Okay, because Amazon itself gives you the best sellers in Amazon in that particular subcategory. So when you are finalizing your product, make sure you take a niche. If you want to start with a t-shirt business, it is not like you will start with all type of t-shirt like round neck, collar neck, Henley neck, oversized t-shirt, full sleeves t-shirt. No, start with one category, only one subcategory. After that, you can start building your brand. If you are new, don't rush into purchasing everything at a time and then starting selling on Amazon. No, select niche category one by one and you can add on category later on, because selling is important. It shouldn't be that you have purchased all your product but none of them are getting good sale. So it's better to go on Amazon first, look for the best product which is performing good on Amazon, and then copying the way it is, and then giving a best price competitive, so all the customers from that particular product will be redirected to your products. This method is useful for new sellers and for existing sellers as well. If any existing sellers who want to bring up a new category, who want to bring up new products in his category, so he need to do this kind of research. This is not going to take any time from yours. Like if you can check, it will just take 15 to 20 minutes, but that 15 to 20 minutes plays an important role while selecting a product. So make sure you do this process before selecting any product to sell on online portals like Amazon or any other.